Hi friends, in the previous tutorial we discussed how to handle exceptions in Python. In this tutorial we will discuss statistical concepts very frequently used by developers during Python programming. Python provides a statistic module which contains various inbuilt methods like mean, mode, standard deviation, etc. to solve problems which involve statistics. Let's first understand what statistical information we can derive from a numeric data. We will briefly understand these quantities so that we can utilize this library for our programming purpose. We won't go into the mathematical analysis of these quantities. Mean, it is the sum of all numbers divided by count of numbers. Median, it is the positional average and refers to middle value in a distribution. Mode, it gives the most common data present in the sequence. And then standard deviation, it is the number which tells how much the members differ from the mean value of a sequence. Now let's see how we can calculate these quantities in Python. Suppose you have a collection of some numbers packed in a Python list, say data sets equals, and if you want to find arithmetic mean of these numbers, how can we do it without going into the details of the data and concepts of statistics? Python provides a very rich library statistics for that. Let's import library statistics. Now let's call inbuilt mean method like this. Here the mean method is used to calculate the arithmetic mean of the numbers in the list. Now if I try to check the value hold by this variable result, it gives you arithmetic mean of the numbers in the list, which is sum of all numbers divided by count of numbers present in the list. Similarly, you can find geometric and harmonic mean of a sequence that follows a geometric or harmonic progression. Now let's find median of this data. Here the median function provides the middle value of the numeric data in the list. If I run this code, it gives you median of the data. Similarly, mode of the data can be calculated. Here, the mode function returns the most common data of the list. Let me run this code. It gives output 2 because 2 is the most frequent data in this list, which appears twice, while all other numbers are occurring only once. Likewise, you can calculate standard deviation of any numeric data, square of which will give you variance. The function stdev is used to calculate standard deviation on a given sample which is available in the form of a list. Now if I run this code, it gives you standard deviation of this numeric data. A square of this number will give you variance of this data. Well friends, that's all about Python statistical module. Now you can use these inbuilt methods to calculate statistical quantities without writing a custom logic on your own. Thanks for watching the tutorial. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know down in the comment section. If you have not subscribed our channel, please do it right now and press the bell icon to get a notification the moment we upload a new tutorial.